fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you never.
Alright folks, welcome back. It's Wednesday, so it's time for another hiking video. And today we are at what's this park called? Oh, Walnut Woods. Yeah, sorry, Walnut Woods, and we're gonna do the Buckeye Trail 2-mile hike, walk, whatever you want to call it. It's paved, it's easy. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and let's get this stepping, folks. It's like the first really nice day. It's like 72 degrees, sunny, awesome. And it's gonna get cold again tomorrow, so figure you better get out and enjoy it while we can. And I am using one of my birthday presents. Look, this is not freaking cool.
That's so cool. Who got that?
Chevy got me this for my birthday.
That's Chevy, man.
I know, he is a nice guy. But yeah. So I think it's awesome. Should we go this way? Yeah. So I'm currently on a water fast. I'm only drinking water. It's been, I don't know, like 14, 15 hours so far. I don't know how long I'm gonna do it for. I want to try to go as long as I can, just to like detox all the bad stuff out of me, so I can get back to eating all the good stuff. But at a minimum, I'd like to do at least like 36 hours. That's the minimum I'm gonna do. So we've never been to this park. It's about a half hour away from the house. I'm sure Chevy likes the trail, huh? I said I'm sure you like the trail.
I do. This is my type of trail.
Yeah, he likes the paved trails. I'm more of a in the woods kind of guy, but
Don't get lost on these trails.
oh no, I do like the loop trails. That's what I try to look for, is the loops, because I get lost constantly. Yeah, whatever. But I'm running out of the loops.
That'd be nice.
Yeah, bringing Bella here. This would be a good one for her.
Yeah. What's she doing?
Bella's currently at training. She's been there, what, 4 days, 5 days?
Yeah.
Which one? 4
4 days.
days. She's doing awesome. They send us little,
Some of this probably wouldn't
because of ticks.
be good.
Oh yeah, it'll be hot. You can get her little booties. What was I about to say? Yeah, they've been sending us little video clips and stuff of her training. She loves her trainer, so she should be done in about 3 weeks or something, right around birthday time. It's our big 40th birthday's coming up, folks. Yay! Anything else going on?
Nope.
No, you're very tough.
Beautiful day.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day.
Warm.
Have to take. No, have to take Chi-Chi outside for a little bit when I get home.
Sure for the walk down the neighborhood.
Yeah. So we go which way? That way? No, we're not. Is it that way? So this was supposed to have a rubber tip at the end on here. You can see it's already kind of getting messed up because it doesn't have it. But that's okay because they're sending us a whole new one because it's missing that. And they said I could keep this one, so yeah. That was nice of them. I guess this wasn't a very cheap walking stick, so that's good. It seems like the last couple times we've ordered stuff from Amazon, something's missing out of it. We got a bread cutting board because we make our own bread in the bread maker, and the end piece of it was missing, so we had to send that back. I think, when's the new one supposed to be here? Friday? Well, it wasn't that little box I got.
No, there was another box yesterday.
Oh, okay. Alright, so we probably got that. Has what?
That other box has your soap on that,
Yeah, soap. Yeah, I use a special sulfur soap. Doesn't smell too pretty, but it gets me super clean. I have very like sensitive skin, so I have to wash my clothes in like allergenic, no perfume or dye added stuff. I use like all natural lilac shampoo and then the sulfur soap. You know, I don't want people around me anyway, but as long as I'm clean, go away. I got some nice soaps from Sasquatch, is that what it's called? And I like using them, and they're made with natural stuff too, but it's just the other soap helps better. I like it better. So this is Brazo's walking stick. If you like it, you can get your own at Amazon. There's a lot of people here and a lot of dogs. They had like a big dog park, and then like they had another section for like just the puppies. That's kind of cute. Howdy. Chevy, you better get him. You see him wink at me? You gonna say something? I already have an old man. I don't need another one. Alright, stop. Collaborate and listen segment. Hey, see, this is already getting torn up. Probably be okay more for like, you know, the hiking I do on here. But keeps hitting this pavement, it's breaking it apart. Hey, no music. I'm recording a video. Fool. I was left in 4 seconds, so we're good, but still. Rude. So it says this walk should take a little under an hour. I don't know how it takes that long. It's usually 20 minutes per mile for me. So that's like 40 minutes. So I don't know. Whoever timed it was probably walking like Chevy speed.
I heard that. It would take 3 steps for every 2.
Well, it's okay. I'm adorable. Do that runway walks, like, no. So glad it's nice. I'm so glad winter's about over. We might get, you know, like it's gonna get cold tomorrow. Got a couple more cold days still to come. But I'm so freaking happy it's getting warm. I think we might actually go into the woods for a minute. Yay! I prefer walking through the woods than just out in the open. And it's good I'm getting my walk in today because I won't be eating tonight or tomorrow morning, so I don't think I'm gonna have a lot of energy to go hiking. I'm trying to keep up posting these every Wednesday for y'all. Some people do tell me they actually really like them and they use them, you know, when they're trying to walk, or it just motivates some people. And I don't know, I just really appreciate hearing things like that. It makes me feel good about myself. It's what I kind of want to do with my channel, is like help motivate people and stuff, you know. My little logo, be happy, be healthy, and enjoy. That's what we're trying to do, folks. I've been thinking about this, a new little logo I want to kind of make. I don't know, tell me what you guys think. I want, you know, the tree of life, the actual tree of life, like they have in paintings and stuff. Because that, you know, kind of, it's about nature and stuff and life and being positive and healthy, and I want to put that in like a green circle and just have life like carved into the tree. What do y'all think? Would that be cool? I think it'd be cool. Did you turn your watch on? Okay.
Oh my god, he'd pull you over.
Cute puppy.
Face plant on the concrete.
Oh, that'd be funny.
Howdy. Alright, are we supposed to go straight or left? Are we supposed to go that way or that way? There's a little map thing up here we can look at. Stay right, sharp left. That don't make sense to me. Do you know? Where's it? The you are here thing.
Are we?
I don't know. Oh, you are here. Where's the red dot? So we're here. Oh no, that purple goes.
Okay.
Yeah, so we go this way. We go this way, folks. I freaking look. I'm not gonna show y'all because I don't like it. But if you could see my shadow, all my hair's gone. once it gets like, so like I can cut it myself, you know, for first couple months to where it's still long and got my nice curly hair up here. But when it gets like really long, I can't cut it and make it look okay. And I didn't feel like going to the barber and getting a haircut. It's because I didn't want them breathing out on me. So I just shaved it off. I was like, screw it. It'll grow back in a couple weeks. We're starting fresh anyway. Detoxing our lives and our minds and our spirits. Trying to get closer with the Lord. Closer with nature. So we're just starting fresh with everything, folks. Even our hair. Over here. What is this? Let's see. Go look at the water. The water, water. Water, water, water. Hello. Any fishes? No? It's going pretty quick. Howdy. So here soon we're going to be going to Hocking Hills State Park here in Ohio. That's where Old Man's Cave is. They got Ash Cave there. Got a few cool caves and waterfalls, and it's just the trail we need to hike for that is look at a little dust tornado. It's kind of a hard trail and it goes along sharp cliffs. So I just want to build my endurance and strength up and Chevys up a little bit before we go do that one. Because they just closed that park not too long ago, a couple weeks ago actually, because someone fell off one of the cliffs. So yeah, gonna have to be careful there. And I want to make sure we're ready for it. So that one will be a couple weeks away at least. But it'll be awesome when we go. I went to a camp there when I was little. When I was younger, I had a Big Brother, Big Sisters program I was in. I had a big brother. And everyone that was in that program got offered the opportunity to go to a summer camp. It was called Camp Odioqua. And every year I would go there for a couple, and it was fun. I remember going to Old Man's Cave, and we went to this one place called Fat Man's Squeeze. It's like 2 cave walls going into a bigger cave, but you can't get through it if you're too big. So it'll be interesting to see if we can get through it. Look, there's lots of little dust tornadoes on this trail. We got Florida coming up in May still, as of so far. Hopefully I still go. I don't know. Look at that bird. Look, is that an osprey? I think that's an osprey. After this, I'm just gonna go home and just chill out with Chi-Chi. Don't wanna like do too much. Take all my energy away. Went to Indian last night. That's freaking yummy. And we had lots of leftovers. Chevy had some of those for his lunch today. I think I told him he should just, because we have some frozen burgers and, you know, I'm not eating tonight, so I said he should just throw a couple of burgers on the grill for himself. Probably what he'll do. I'll probably pop me a melatonin and just try to go to bed early. Oh, howdy. We don't get all them hunger pains at night. I figure if I go to sleep tonight without eating, wake up, I'm not usually a breakfast person anyway, just struggle through lunch and then at the minimum have dinner tomorrow, you know. That's like the earliest I want to break my fast, and I probably will anyway. So that should give me like 40, almost 2 days, you know, if I wait till dinner. Is that yours? Hold on, he lost his map. I ain't gonna catch that. He just keeps going. Well, maybe we'll stop. There we go. All right, let's go get this man. Chevy let the map just blow out of his hands. All right, let's get this. We don't want to litter at the park. Oh, I'm just kidding. I'm pretty sure we go straight. What all you lovely people been up to lately, huh? All this crazy stuff going on in the world. You know, the only thing we can really change and focus on, I mean, you can focus on everything, but you should focus on yourself. Get yourself right, and the things around you will follow suit. Surround yourself with good people, eat good food, go out and do good healthy things, and in my opinion your life will be much better, folks. But if you just sit around gorging on junk, involving yourself in tons of drama, and just talking about people. Like, you get back in this universe what you put out. So if that's what you want to put out, that's what you're gonna get back. Don't be surprised. It's pretty windy, but that's because it's a warm day and we got a cold front moving in, so yeah. I mean, I'm walking as slow as I can. He's like, I can't keep up with you. I'm not walking very fast, yo. Look at that tree. That's a cool tree. That white tree back out there, that looks cool. Ooh, maybe instead of the tree of life, I should do the Buckeye tree, since that's my state tree. You know, for my little logo thing I was talking about earlier. I don't know. I kind of want to do something with a tree and just have it say life. But it'd be like, it would be black and like neon green. Like the background would be all black and the tree would be neon green with like a neon green circle. And then, you know, it would look like life is carved into the tree. That's what I want. Like, I'm not good at making that kind of stuff, but I'll try to figure it out. I know what I want, just not how to do it. Chevy's pretty good with stuff like that, so he's gonna try. Cute puppy. Howdy. See if this had that little rubber thing on it, it wouldn't keep making that loud noise. That's why I said, see, like when it's in the dirt, don't do that. So since they're sending me another one, I'll keep this one more for like the dirt trails in the woods. And then the other one I'll use more on the paved trails because it'll have the rubber tip. But I got it today. I wanted to use it, so I'm using it. I don't know, just lately I've been feeling like this sense of urgency that I need to like fix myself and just get right with God and try even harder to be a good person. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it's my 40th birthday coming up and y'all know why that freaks me out. I mean, I've always tried to be a good person. I have my bad moments, you know. I get angry too. I get frustrated. But in general, I try to be a good person and help people. Not to use people and abuse people like so many people I see do. I'm gonna have to buy me some new jogging pants and stuff because all mine are getting too big. Like these ones I got on right now, I got tight as I can possibly tie them. They're still a little loose. Right now I think, well, you know, jogging pants are usually elastic, but right now I get like into a 34. So I think I'm about to hit them 32s. So I'm gonna have to dig in the back of my closet, pull out some of my skinnier clothes soon. Well, here's some more water. Water. Yeah, so the only thing I'm drinking today is water, which will be good for me. You know, I need to hydrate. Nothing but water. No soda, no coffee. Which, trust me, I miss the coffee. That's okay. Just water for now. I'll have some coffee later. Maybe. You know, sometimes I go on these little health kicks and then I like get real serious about it. I would love to be like a Whole Foods vegan, you know, where you don't even cook your food. You just eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Like you don't even cook them or process them. You just eat them fresh. And you just drink water. That would be awesome, but I really don't think that'll happen. It's hard enough for me to try to be a vegan vegetarian, which I am going to try to push more towards the vegan part here now. But you never know, we might get there. And Chevy, he's been looking up, what's that one thing? Flexitarian? What's it called? Flexitarian? What is that? So it's like, oh, did you guys know Arnold Schwarzenegger? Well, that's pretty much what he is then, right? Well, he said he's vegan, all except for one day a week. He allows himself to eat meat. So yeah, Arnold is a flexitarian, y'all. He says it's freaking super healthy. And he hasn't been doing it for what, too long. I think he said 2 years or something. But he suggests it. I think he probably believes the vegan is better, but you know, meat eaters, you gotta have your meat once in a while. So that's what Chevy's gonna do. He's gonna become a flexitarian. So he'll be vegetarian all week and then get his 1 or 2 meat days where you can have some fish or meat. So that should help. And he's gonna be doing his Weight Watchers. Weight Watchers does work. It does. I lost weight on Weight Watchers. I just don't like the whole point thing. I like to see my macros and micros and all that stuff, and they just do it based on points. And some of the points I don't really agree with. Like fruit and stuff, 0 points. Like they're calories, so why is it 0 points? So you're saying I could eat all the fruit I want in a day? Like I could gorge on fruit? No, I don't agree with that. But hey, whatever works for you, you know? When I'm tracking food and stuff, I like to use the MyFitnessPal app, because that shows you all your sodium levels and vitamin levels and all that good mumbo jumbo. But if you do want to try like Weight Watchers or something, they do have a free app out there, which I have done like a side-by-side comparison with. I like used them at the same time. It's called iTrack Bites, and it's just like Weight Watchers pretty much. Very, very, very similar. Even has like community posts and recipes and chats and stuff. So yeah, if you're wanting to try Weight Watchers and don't want to put the money down for that right now, just to try it, maybe try iTrack Bites. And then if you like it, you could always go to Weight Watchers if you wanted to. I know Chi-Chi did not like this walking stick. She was going crazy at it when she saw it. dog looked a little weary because I was carrying a stick. Yeah, we'll get there, folks, eventually. Hop aboard the freaking health train, folks. Just every little improvement helps your life. So if you just improve slowly, one little thing at a time, like maybe cut back 1 day a week, the bad stuff you eat, and do another day, then another day. Get out there and get active. Do some walking, walk around your house. A lot of times I just walk in circles inside my house. Got an island in the kitchen. I just walk in a circle around the island. It's boring, but it's effective. Over here they got a dog, that's the big dog park. Probably can't see them, but lots of dogs here. Maybe if Bella's trained good, when she comes back she can come play with some of the puppies. Howdy. See all the dogs over there? Looks like a Doberman. Pretty small Doberman. Must be a puppy. That's the small dog puppy park one. So this side's for the big dogs. This one's for the small dogs and the puppies, which is a good idea to separate them like that. Kind of like that. We're gonna go fly the drone today, but it's obviously way too windy for that. But soon. All right. So yeah, we finished, folks. Where we started right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope you get out and get some walking in. Have an amazing day, folks. If you want to join me next time, it'll be next Wednesday at 11:30 a.m. Eastern, and come walk with me. Okay? Till next time, folks. Always remember, be happy, be healthy, go enjoy the world. It's yours. Okay? See you later. Bye.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you never